glance over and there's this, I think it's a wasp. Oh no, now there's two. Oh gosh, yeah, stay away from my leg. Stay away from my leg. Oh no, what do I do? It's on my leg.
We found this section of the hotel that looks like every horror movie you've ever seen. Like where they where they take the people to like string them up and do bad things to them. Okay. This is a quintessential Mexican thing to do when there's danger.
Your hazards.
Put on your hazard lights. We're safe now because we got our hazards on. Hi, we're Dooglass and Esperanza. We've had many incredible adventures in the past, and we know the best memories aren't made when everything goes as planned. We decided to sell everything and make our dreams a reality so that we can live before we die. Make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to go over how much we paid for all of these salvage items and a detailed list of everything that we got for that. So stick around to the end. Alright, let's check out day 2 of the salvage.
There you go.
Poquito pesado,
See. Get over here. Okay. Okay, este lado. Otro lado.
Vámonos.
How heavy is that?
75 pounds.
Oh, not as bad as we thought.
Oh, 100 pounds.
Ya. Poquito pesado, no mucho.
There goes my beautiful hood. Man, this place is so gorgeous. Look at this patio. And then the water is right there. I guess the building's been here for 50 years. In the last 20 years, it's been vacant.
Hey everybody. Well, we are back here and we have all of the upper cabinets and hood out already. This lower. And the person here, they got their own guy to take off the countertops because we are not buying those and they want to try to save them. So,
All right, let's see what Dawn's doing. Hey, Dawn. You got it totally loosened without breaking that top.
I got tricks.
Oh my gosh, you must. I can't believe that. Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. We thought that that would split and break because of all the vein and the rock, and it has an underlit part. It's gonna be gorgeous.
Grab that, see if we can block it out. What I might be able to do is go in there and cut that. I can cut that end off, see? And then we'll have some room. You're not gonna put me on a video on YouTube, are you?
If you don't want me to, I won't.
Because I'm already really famous and I get so many calls.
I know you do, but you'll really make our channel really boom. Everyone will be like, I want to see
I
Dawn.
don't know, man. If I get blown up, it's gonna be your fault. I get all blown up and people are calling me all day long, want me to do movies.
I know, it's gonna happen.
Have you ever considered doing a home improvement show?
Well, we got these 2 huge vanities out. Thanks to Don and all of his skills. That was a great help for us. Thank you, Don. Okay, let's see what Douglas is doing. Douglas is taking out another door and door frame. Let me see if you can see. It's pretty dark.
last door.
Careful on the stairs, we don't have any tripping.
Taking out the very last vanity.
Doing good. We're on.
It has
We're
a
on
beautiful
television.
alabaster top that we're trying to save. Where's the other one?
¿Qué es costada a Merle? Costado a Merle. Oh, it's the
Muro, the wall,
what's costado?
Oh,
side of the wall.
Oh, the wall side. All right, well, day 3 back here at the hotel doing the salvage. We are actually, I'm here alone today. Esperanza is at home, actually getting ready for Thanksgiving. We're going to a Thanksgiving dinner today because it is Thanksgiving today. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to get some work done. So, as you can see here, this looks quite a bit different. We got all this out. We've got the crew from the hotel here today. Again, they're going to work on getting these countertops off so that I can come in here and take these cabinets out. But until they do that, I am going to work over here on this other side. And I'm going to be working back here, getting these big built-ins out. Okay, I got a light so we can look at this cabinet a little better. You can see it's a huge built-in. Ceiling's about 9 feet or 10 feet high there. All right, well, got everything stripped in here. All these are stripped down to the boxes. Just have to be pulled out, and that countertop pulled off the top. This is stripped down to the boxes. There's the doors and everything. This is all stripped down to the boxes. And now it's time to go do some Thanksgiving dinner. So I am going to sign off for today. I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but tomorrow morning I'll be back and we'll start pulling out all these boxes and we might be able to finish this tomorrow. It is day 4 and I am back here at the abandoned hotel to work on the salvage today. These centerpieces came out pretty easy. We got to get this countertop off. Now unfortunately this thing is screwed in the 2 corners and then glued on, so got to get this off in one piece. So let's see what we can do. Is heavy. Okay. Well, I just found this huge moth. Look at this thing. Give you an idea. Here's my hand. That thing is giant. It's gonna be a long day. I want to get all of these cabinets wrapped, packaged up for storage before the end of the day. I'm here at the place where we are storing our stuff. So I've got a little load of stuff in our truck, 20-foot container. We've already got quite a bit of stuff in here, and we are going to load all the rest of the stuff in here. I hope it's gonna fit. Well, good morning, everybody. Today is day 5 of the abandoned hotel salvage project. All right, we've been carrying cabinets down. We got the first 2 loads down here ready to go to storage. So let's check out these loads. Pepe, you ready?
I'm ready, sir.
Today is an awesome day.
Yes, it is.
And why is it an awesome day?
Because it's the last day of salvaging stuff. Pardon me, it's still early.
Day 6 of the salvage operation. You sound like you've been smoking like 10 packs a day. Like lately.
No, I know. I think I have allergies at this time of the year here with the wind blowing and everything. And
Yeah, lots of dust in it.
Yeah.
Day 6, the last day. We are going back.
Yes.
We are on the bonus round because we bought some bonus items that we found.
Yeah.
And so we are going to show you, we found this section of the hotel that looks like every horror movie you've ever seen. Like where they where they take the people to like string them up and do bad things to them. This is the part of the hotel we found.
Yeah.
But there is some good stuff in there. So we're going to go.
Can't wait to show you.
We're gonna brave this horror movie to go get that good stuff. And we gotta get a plop outside.
Yes.
Dum 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 dum. Are you having fun waiting for the guy to come open the gate?
Yeah. I'm looking for Cyber Monday deals.
It's Cyber Monday. Well, if this guy would come open the gate, that would be great. I'm gonna shut the door because I just saw big wasps come over. The wasps, for some reason, like white trucks. And the wasp here, they aren't any bigger than the wasps we had back home, but they're scarier looking.
Sitting here waiting for the dog in the truck while he goes in the hardware store. And I glance over and there's this, I think it's a wasp. Oh no, now there's 2. Oh gosh, y'all stay away from my leg. Stay away from my leg. Oh no, what do I do? It's on my leg. What do I do? Shh. Oh, you know what? I think I scared it away. Go. Oh my gosh, it worked. Oh my gosh, I can't believe that. Yelling at a wasp works. Wow. Okay, I gotta be the witness.
Where are you taking us?
To a scary, scary place that's seen on every horror movie you've ever seen.
Okay. Oh, I like this tile work. This is like a...
It looks like an insane asylum that way.
Oh, yeah. This is scary.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a light.
Look at that. That's so beautiful.
And then the other... This laundry cart and these lights right here.
Well, we got it all loaded. Thanks to our dear friend and all of his big muscles helping us. Because this thing is metal. It is so heavy. Well, we did it. We got it all loaded up.
This is the quintessential Mexican thing to do when there's danger.
Your hazards.
Put on your hazard lights. We're safe now because we got our hazards on. No problem at all, right?
Does the trailer have lights?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I don't see anything.
Okay, so this is gonna be your first time from the storage unit.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I guess we need another storage unit, huh?
Yep. All right, so now we have to do a shuffling act. I dropped our trailer with all the stuff we just got over here. And now I have to hook up this trailer with all the extra stuff that wouldn't fit in the storage unit. And we are going to take that around to the front of this building where I've rented another storage unit up there. And then we'll have to come back and get that trailer over there and take it over and unload everything. Are you excited, honey? Are you really excited about doing the shuffle?
So excited.
So now, what do we get and what do we pay for it? To start out, we got 40 cabinets, high grade solid mahogany cabinets. We got 2 bathroom vanities, also high grade mahogany with alabaster tops. We got 4 solid wood mahogany doors with all the frames. Also about 25 wall sconces were cast iron, 2 chandeliers cast iron in the same style, and then about 7 pendant lights that were also all cast iron. We got about 15 bathroom fixtures, towel bars, and toilet paper rolls. We got 4 toilets and 2 urinals, the best thing that we got. We got about 10 bar stools and an 8-foot diameter palapa in a really good style. So what did all of this cost us? $7,200 US. And I just remembered I left a few things off the list. We also got a brand new KitchenAid dishwasher, a higher end model that is brand new, never even been turned on. And the bathroom vanities also came with all of the water fixtures and the under cabinet lighting. So, you know, this was an unbelievable deal. These cabinets, I can't even estimate the cost of this many cabinets in a solid mahogany, high-end custom cabinets like these. So in the end, you know, we probably got this entire load for, I am estimating, a fifth to even as low as a tenth of the actual, you know, retail value of this if you were to repurchase all of these items in this quality today. So an awesome haul. It was a lot of work. All right, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming episodes. And always remember to live before you die.